In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone as a webcam on your Mac. So first things first, you need to be running iOS 16 or newer, and you need to have an iPhone XR or newer. So if you have one of the newish iPhones, you should be good to go. And your Mac needs to be running OS Ventura or later. So anything beyond that, you're good to go. Both devices need to be signed in with the same Apple ID and have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on. Next, I recommend mounting your iPhone. You can use a MagSafe mount or any type of stand, or you can just use your hand to move it around depending on what you're needing the webcam for. First thing that we want to do on our iPhone is we want to go into settings by going into the gear icon here. And then once in settings, go to general. So go down to general settings. And then once under general settings, you want to go to AirPlay and continuity. That's about midway down. Then you want to make sure that the continuity camera is turned on. This option here that says use your iPhone as a webcam for your Mac when both devices are near each other. So again, make sure your iPhone is in the same room or in the same vicinity as your Mac. Here we are on my Mac and I have a FaceTime call open here. Your webcam will be able to be used whether it's for FaceTime, OBS, for streaming, anything you need a camera for, you should be good to go. The only time it gets a little complicated is when you're using web-based tools like Riverside for a podcast or whatever it may be. You have to allow the camera and then restart the browser, but it will work for anything you need it for. So in order to pull up the webcam here, we would just go to FaceTime, go to our video settings here, and then here under camera, we have our iPhone. Whatever you name your iPhone, go ahead and click on it like you see here. And then once you do that, you can see now the camera for my iPhone is being used as a webcam. And I can go here and I can disconnect it directly from my phone. I can pause it, whatever I want to do. But as you can see here, I'm using my iPhone now to look around my office here as a webcam. So that's how you do it. Make sure you follow all of those settings. If you have any further questions, put those down below and we'll see you guys in the next video.